Have you ever wondered if you really need to clean your sleeping quilt? Let's break down why it's worth it, how to do it right, and why we think CO2 cleaning might just be the best method out there. So, why clean your quilt at all? It's simple. A clean quilt performs better. The insulation fluffs up more, it traps warmth better, and let's be honest, it's just more comfortable. But backpacking isn't exactly clean living. If you're through hiking or out for days at a time, your quilt's gonna soak up a lot of dirt, sweat, and body oils. So you might be asking yourself, can't I just wash it at home? You can, but fair warning, it's a process. Washing down gear takes nearly an entire day of work. It's tedious, a little stressful, and if you mess it up like using too much detergent or drying it with too much heat, you could permanently damage your quilt. If you still want to clean your own quilt despite the risks, make sure to check out our video on the safest way to wash your quilt. So what's the alternative? CO2 cleaning. It's a newer, more sustainable method that uses recycled liquid carbon dioxide instead of water and detergents. No water, no heat, no harsh chemicals. This makes it super gentle on delicate materials like down insulation, while still powerful enough to remove deep-set gunk from the trail. We're talking sweat, oils, mud, all gone. And your quilt, no shrinkage, no color loss, no damage to the loft. And the nice thing is, not only are you saving your gear, you're saving gallons of water too. If you're skeptical about this, we get it. In fact, we wanted to see for ourselves if CO2 cleaning really worked. So we sent a quilt that had been through it. Literally, it did the full Pacific Crest Trail. We sent it anonymously to a company called Co2 just to make sure we got the standard treatment. Stains on the quilt were gone, or barely visible. The quilt gained loft back by over an inch, and you'll have to take our word for it, but the smell improved dramatically. So here's the deal. Yes, you can wash your quilt at home, but if you want to save time, water, and maybe your sanity, CO2 cleaning is the way to go. At around $60 including shipping both ways, it's a fair price for keeping your gear in top shape. Keep your quilt clean, keep it lofty, and keep it performing like the day you bought it. If you have any questions about eClean, feel free to reach out to our customer service team. And again, thank you for watching. We'll see you out on the trail.